Welcome back to another one, you guys. Welcome back to Kicking It. Well, drawing with man. Today we're gonna be drawing. Let me see. This drawing, if you can see it or not. Yeah, it's by Ma- Ma- Marpono Art Gallery. I guess that's how you say her name. But I guess I butchered it. But welcome back to Kicking It with a drawing with man. My name used to be Kicking It with Man, but that's why I keep saying Kicking It with Man. But yeah, today we're gonna start off with the bowl first. Draw this little bowl. All right. See what? All right, 1 minute. Draw. I'm gonna draw it kind of dark, but light enough so I can erase if I have to. But yeah, I've been working on portraits. It isn't exactly easy. I tell you that much. Yeah, portrait's not easy. See where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna have it filled up like about right here. Probably. Yeah, that's better. Alright. See where I'm at. Alright. Do the feet. I'm gonna draw the I might draw the bird last, but just give me an idea of what he is or she, whatever his gender is. Alright. This is the pipe. Come out a little bit. It isn't nothing but a little cylinder, and this is a partial cylinder. Draw the elbow. I don't know if any you guys know anything about pipes, but this is called an elbow. My goal isn't to make it look realistic, but I want it to look realistic enough to pass. Excuse me. Alright. What else? What else? I got to do this. Alrighty. Now, after you do the nozzle, I might do the flowers and stuff next, and do the water and the bird last. But yeah, this will be my second time drawing this. Because I drew it one time before yesterday to see how would it come out. And it came out pretty decent. Like I said, I'll show you guys. At the end of this. All right. All right. So now that the nozzle halfway done, see, I might. Let's see. There we go. It's kind of difficult keeping things lined up. You gotta. It's like shifting. Like, I don't know if you guys see that on camera, but it's shifting. What else? What else? Put this top one on. I'm trying to do this one pretty fast because I'm trying to beat the clock. Got something else to do today. All right. The trick with the splashes is to think 3D because you really have to think 3D. I'm gonna erase this to see what this look like. I'll redraw it a different way. It came out alright. I suppose that's the best it'll get for right now, for the time being. Alright, so what next? Flowers, plants, vegetation. Leaves are very easy to draw, but designing things on them are a little bit difficult. And I'll show you what I mean by that in a little bit. Gotta have a sharp pencil when you're drawing. I tend to forget that. That's why I draw with the side of my pencil so it'll sharpen itself on the tip. Try to make it look wavy. So far, so good, though. Haven't had to erase not that much. Don't know if you guys noticed it. Getting a little better. See here. Alrighty. I'm gonna switch things up a little bit. I like the way she got it, but I'm just gonna do my own thing on this part right here. Back to the room. And tidy up a little bit. It's okay to switch things up. If you feel that ain't the way you want something to look, you should have fun with it. If you're not having fun, then what's the point of drawing? In my eyes. It's funny that as soon as I mention erasing, I have to erase immediately. Still got a long ways to go. If I want to be that artist that don't have to erase all the time. Still got a ways to go. Put these little pointy things there. probably put one here. I wanna put one here, but I'm not sure. Nah, I won't put that there. Alright, put the little dots in there, then put the little lines for the flower petals. Alrighty. Trying not to get too caught up in details, because I already see it coming. Because I ain't drew the bird yet. Alright. What time look like? 16 minutes. Okay, that ain't too bad. Alright, so let's see how I'm gonna do the bird. Put his 1 foot right here. For his feet, you can make little C's. Then come upward. Then back. Make another C. But the angle, you gotta. Drawing requires more looking than drawing. You have to look as more so than drawing. Twice as much, I guess, as drawing. Alright. Okay, so do the head part. See which angle I want it to go. And boom, boom, like that. Boom, boom. Like that. Okay. Then come with his wings. Come with the neck. Then loop it back a little bit. Hump it back some. And then do the other side the same. Okay. Tone down with it. I'm gonna switch it up. I like how she got it, but I'm gonna do my own little thing with it. see here. Put this like this. Come here, here, here. Let me see if I can fix that a little bit. I don't like the way that's looking. So here, then that. Yeah, all right. That's how you do the tilt. But come down like that. Then sketch in a little scribbles or wiggly lines, however you want it to be called. Then make some lines for the feathers. Excuse me. Make sure you round when you shading this. Make sure you go in a circle, like follow the shape of the bird. I guess that's about it. Then don't forget to put the water. Okay. And see what else. Alright. You can tell I've drawn hard. Too hard. Darken some lines up a little bit. See. And make that cast shadow. Alright, now it's time to shade. We at 23. Okay. Oh, let me do this first. So you can see. Boom. 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 This is my design. Because I think it look a little plain. Not to say that the artist didn't make a good drawing. Because this is her creation. But yeah. Spruce it up a little bit. I had to. Alright. So far so good. See. Do a little shading here. Okay. So let's see here. How we gonna do this? I'm gonna do it like this. Alright, and shade this part. I'm not good with shading from the middle to the outside. I don't know the name of that type of shading, but I know I'm not good at it right now. Yeah, but I get better at it over time. Let me see here. Let's see right here. Alrighty. Alright, what we at now? 27. Okay. Make the little ridges where you screw it on it. Then do this part. And this part. Alright, then this part here. I'm not so good with drawing flowers. I gotta practice that. But I did the first set of flowers pretty good. Let's see. I messed that up. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Alrighty. Hmm. Alright. sign it. Put a little shading right here. Alright. Go back over this. I'm trying to double line it. Not trying to make it one. So it'll look like it's, excuse me, moving. Coming across this way. With it. This is kind of a hatching trick, like hatching a little bit. Righty. And that's it. Simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed. But this is it. I don't know if you can see it. See how I switched it up. And to show you the other drawing, let's see. This is the one I drew the other day. Quite different. Yeah, it's quite different. As you can see. This one, then this one. But thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed. Till the next one.